Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I created this pink crystal festival makeup look, then stay tuned. I'm using Kimchi's Juicy 9 eyeshadow palette, starting with Cotton Candy, which is a beautiful bubblegum colour. I love how pigmented all of these shades are. I think that's quite unusual with especially light shades like this, so yeah, it's a really good quality palette. I'm putting this all over the lid and taking it up nearly to the brow. I'm then adding this to the inner corner and taking it under the lower lash line. So I've got a solid colour the whole way around the eye. Next I'm taking Hibiscus, which is a bright fuchsia shade, which I'm adding to the outer and inner corner and blending the excess into the crease and under the lash line. I'm now taking more of the Cotton Candy and popping this back over the inner corner and centre of the lid. And blending this all together. I'm now proudly showing my filthy Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which has not aged well, and taking this Wild Child, which is a shimmery pink, and adding that to the centre, lids and inner corners. It's now time for the sparkles. I've opted for these iridescent rhinestones and star sequins. I'm using lash glue to adhere these. I'm just dabbing a small amount of glue. You might notice that I'm applying my gems with the rubber end of a pencil. I've lost my proper rhinestone applicator, so tried improvising with this rubber. It worked a bit, but I definitely recommend the correct tool. It would have made the process way easier. I'm working my way through placing the gems symmetrically. I recommend just placing these wherever it feels right and not overthinking it. I tried to vary the size of the gems so it was mainly larger next to smaller, which gives a more intricate look. This look is very versatile, so you can pick whatever bold base colour you want and some complementary gems to create your perfect look that matches your festival outfit. I think that a pastel blue with silver gems would look nice. I could also picture a black with red gems, but the possibilities are literally endless. I'm now curling my lashes and adding mascara. Next I'm taking my Rimmel Maxi Blush, which is a vibrant hot pink, and adding a considerable amount. Now I'm using my Ofra Glazed Donut Highlighter and adding it to my cheekbones, brow bone and bridge of my nose. For my lips, I'm using this Korean pink lipstick that I do not know the brand of. Over the top, I'm using a NYX lip oil to give a glossy finish. The final touch is adding a set of super sparkly earrings to complete this shimmery festival look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I think that this is a really easy makeup look that still looks really multi-dimensional and eye-catching. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!